research suggests these food additives in your child's diet may make ADHD symptoms worse. These include artificial preservatives and artificial sweeteners. Hi, I'm Dr. Altmann. Have you wondered whether a better diet might improve your child's ADHD symptoms? The role food plays in ADHD symptoms, like hyperactivity or poor concentration, isn't totally clear yet. But eating a healthy, nutrient-rich diet is always a good idea for all children in school. That means a diet rich in fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and dairy products will help any child grow and develop. In addition, research suggests these food additives in your child's diet may make ADHD symptoms worse. These include artificial preservatives and artificial sweeteners, so avoid these whenever possible. It's also a good idea to kick sugary drinks and treats to the curb. Sugary foods don't aggravate ADHD symptoms specifically, but too much sweet stuff can make a blood sugar spike, and that can affect any child's concentration and behavior. I'm Dr. Altmann. Check out all our smart tips for more ways to nourish your child's health.